Have you ever wondered if AI processors could replace traditional CPUs? Well, you're not alone. To comprehend this quandary, we first need to understand what a central processing unit, or CPU, is and what it does. Picture the CPU as the brain of a computer responsible for executing instructions of a computer program. It's a versatile powerhouse that can handle a myriad of tasks, from simple calculations to complex algorithms. Now let's talk about artificial intelligence processors, or AI processors. These are specially designed chips that cater to the unique needs of AI computations. Think of them as highly specialized workers, adept at handling specific tasks at lightning speed. They excel in areas like machine learning and data processing, where they can perform calculations much faster than a traditional CPU. So, what sets these two apart? There are a couple of fundamental differences. A traditional CPU is a jack of all trades. It's versatile and can handle a wide variety of tasks. However, when it comes to AI-specific tasks like machine learning and data processing, a traditional CPU might fall short in terms of speed and efficiency. On the other hand, an AI processor is like a master craftsman, designed to perform specific tasks with remarkable speed and efficiency. But this specialization comes with a trade-off. Unlike the versatile CPU, an AI processor is not designed to handle a wide array of tasks. In a nutshell, while the AI processors are sprinters, excelling in quick, specific tasks, the traditional CPUs are marathon runners, capable of performing a wide assortment of tasks, albeit at a slower pace. It's clear that AI processors and traditional CPUs are quite different, but does this mean one will replace the other? Let's delve deeper. AI processors are gaining popularity, and for good reasons. They are specially designed to crunch large amounts of data, perform complex calculations at light